There are in Spain 25,488 medium-sized companies. We are already one of them, with 183 employees, aiming for innovation, young talent and equality. Since December 2018, we have tripled our staff. We grew 106%. Our added value, great growth, opportunity reinforced by a high level of internal confidence and collaboration. We have the technology, we have the human capital. Because of the effort, the commitment and collaboration across different departments, we reached the level of diversification that propelled SDLE along its current path to growth. From a leading position on spare parts supply, we have progressed toward maintenance, upgrading and communications system safety. We work in more than 25 countries. R&D investment has led SDLE to be an expert company in UAV development and anti-drone safety systems. We increase our level of professionalization by developing new digital skills. Our achievements: greater organization and planning efficiency to anticipate the needs of customers, improved communication internally and with customers and suppliers, more horizontal relationship for greater communication among all company departments, major productivity and performance evaluation, obtained by eliminating task duplications, automation and integration of production processes, collaborative tools in all business areas. SDLE, towards the technology of the future. Star Defense Logistics and Engineering.